Stay.
Now, guys, once you get it to this, change it to a multiplication.
Oh my god, those suited.
This becomes negative 18/7 times 4 over 9.
Whoa. I found it.
So, can I cross cancel at all?
What?
Can I cross cancel?
Of course you can. Just kidding. What?
I can this way. Does 9 go into 18? Twice. So 9 goes into itself once.
Oh, that one's sticky.
It goes into negative 18, negative 2 times. I'm taking pictures. So what do I do? It becomes negative 2 times 4 over 7 times 1.
I put my diaper.
Okay? And the answer is negative 8/7.
Whoa.
What?
What?
Nope, it's 2 times 4.
What's that one?
No, it's... Oh!
Austin, tucked up.
My bad. I changed 9. It's 9/5. Sorry. And so it's 5 times 5. Doggone it.
What?
So it's
right.
negative 10. Right? Negative 10/7. This is 5.
My
bad.
It's stinky.
This is 9/5. You guys, your calculator was right. Wrong.
My calculator's wrong. I got the billion.
It would be negative 1 and 57.
I got the turd poking out.
Okay? Okay, let's take a 5-minute break.
The balls popped out.
Chill.
Chill out!
Chill, talk, get up, move your arms a little bit, and then I'll give you your homework. Oh, let me see your notes. Your notes are in, you gotta cook them.
Why?
Yeah.
Hey, Jude. No, Jared.